login via Facebook with version 1.2. Try go to my room page and then open a room, and then tap on members, and then this room is I am an admin of this room. Then I'm trying to tap my admin button, and then tapping on admin button, some user copied another user's picture, a profile picture, like uh, DJ copied the picture of Berna, and then Jerome Duos and Jerome Hay. They're copying the picture of Bernadette and Bernadette B. Copied picture. This user has no picture, has no profile picture. But sort using an admin, they copied another picture of users